Good morning, viewers, and welcome to Luo English Dictionary channel. Today's video, I'll title it Usual Talk. Usual Talk. These are some of the words or phrases that you'll most definitely get someone talking about everywhere you go. So I'll start. I can't spell talk. What's wrong with me? I'll start with Irio nade. Irio nade. Now, this is a phrase that you tell someone when you've met in the evening or during the day to ask them, how have you been? Irio nade. And they will say, Ario maber. Ario maber. Inindo nade. Inindo nade. How did you sleep? So this is something you'd say in the morning. And they would say, Anindo maber. Anindo maber. Please note that if there are 2 or 3 people, you will say, Unindo nade. And you'd also say, Urio nade. So, Unindo nade. How did you sleep, young fellas? And they would say, Wanindo maber. Wanindo maber. One of the most common greetings that you've seen in this channel is Oyaore. Oyaore. Oyaore literally means open. Open. Yao. Yao means open. So Oyaore means it has opened, like the day has opened. And you respond by saying Oyaore ahinya. Oyaore ahinya. Ahinya is very, so it's very open, okay? Oyaore ahinya. You would also ask misawa. Misawa is another type of greeting, misawa. And the other person would also say misawa ahinya. Misawa ahinya. If you meet somebody in the streets or in the market and you want to ask them about where they're coming from, you'd ask dala wacho nango. Dala wacho nango. That literally means, what's the news of the day back home? What's the news of the day back home? Dala wacho nango. And dala wacho nango, the other person would say dala oleng. Dala oleng. Dala is the home. So home, say what? What's being said back home? Home, quiet. Dala oleng. If you get to someone's house, you'd ask at the door, you'd ask, Adonji. 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 Adonji means can I get in? Adonji. And they would say, donji. Donji. That means yes, please get in. Not that. Yes, please get in. Donji. Donji. If someone is knocking your door but you cannot see the person, you'd say Inga. Inga. Who are you? Or you'd say Manonga. Manonga. Who is that? Inga. Who are you? Manonga. Who is that? The difference is Inga is you are asking a person who is knocking. Manonga, you may not be facing the door. You may be in another room and you're just asking, oh, who's that knocking? But in nga would be like you are the other side of the door. The person is knocking and you're next to the door, so you're asking, who is it? Okay, I hope that makes sense. I am hoping it makes sense, really. A longer version would be mano nga maduongo no. Mano nga maduongo no. Mano nga maduongo no. Who is that knocking? Nga is who? Mano. Who is that? Mano nga maduongo. No, duongo is knocking. Who is that knocking? And another usual talk is you with someone comes to you with a problem and you've talked and then they want to leave. Before they leave, you could ask them, koso in kod wach machielo? Koso in kod wach machielo? Koso in kod wach machielo. Do you have something else to say? Wach is word. Machielo is another one. Do you have some other words? Koso, do you? Koso in kod wach machielo. Do you have something else to say? Now someone is, two of you are talking and someone else comes next to you. You want to ask them, like they want to excuse themselves. You can ask, idwaro wacho koda? Idwaro wacho koda? That means, do you want to talk to me? Do you want to speak to me? Idwaro wacho koda? What do you want? Idwaro ango? Idwaro ango? What do you want? Idwaro biro? Idwaro biro koni? Do you want to come to this other side? Idwaro biro koni? Idwaro mar ango? Idwaro mar ango? What do you want it for? Idwaro mar ango? Idwaro time nade? Idwaro time nade? Remember, this is not time. This is time. Idwaro time nade? What do you want to do with it? What do you want to do with it? Idwaro time nade? And because you're not understanding Luo very well, this would be important for you. You'd say, ok awinj Dholuo maber. Ok awinj Dholuo maber. This means I do not understand Luo very well. Ok awinj Dholuo maber. Adich, I am busy. Adich. So if someone calls you, please tell them, Adich. Termos. Hold on. Hold up. You say hold up? Hold up. Termos. Termos literally means take slowly. So termos would be, hey, wait a minute. Termos. Hold up. Now, these are the usual talks that you can find in the streets. And I think this you can use every day of your life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Bye. Oriti. Seriously, I can't even spell subscribe. What's wrong with me? Anyway, that's not Luo. Bye. Bye, guys. Thank you.